That's a fantastic question we get asked a lot. You're ready to check out with FavePay. Maybe you've scanned the QR code, and you're wondering if that sweet discount code you found can be stacked on top. Here's the deal. Generally, when you use FavePay at a merchant, you are already getting a benefit, usually in the form of instant cashback or a specific Fave deal or voucher you purchased. Because of this integration, most merchant systems are not set up to allow you to input a separate third-party promo code during the FavePay process itself. Think of FavePay as the final payment method, similar to tapping your credit card. You've either applied a Fave-specific discount before this step, or you're earning Fave cashback at this step. However, there is an important exception. If the promo code you have is a Fave-specific code, like a first-time user code from Fave or a code for a specific Fave campaign, you can often apply this within the Fave app at the point of payment. This kind of code reduces the final Fave amount you owe. What about those generic codes, like Take 10? If a merchant is running a promotion that explicitly requires you to mention a code before the FavePay transaction even begins, you need to check if that merchant allows stacking. The rule of thumb is, if you bought a specific deal on Fave, you usually can't add another separate discount. If you are just using FavePay to earn cashback, you might be able to use a merchant's internal promo, but it's always best to ask the cashier first before you scan and pay to avoid disappointment. So, in short, stick to Fave codes within the app, and for external codes, confirm with the staff before you pay. Keep on saving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of Fave.